Hi students, Mrs. Vandenberg here. This is what it will be like when you get into Apply Digital Skills for the first time. Let's go. Click into whichever class you're in, and you can find the assignment here at the top because it's new, but if it's not at the top, you can find it in the Technology section of the Classwork tab. It is right here. So, first thing we're going to do, here's all the instructions. Click right here. We need to sign in. If you're not prompted to sign in, you're going to click that. You will select your email. And you'll probably be asked, are you a student or a teacher? You are a student. And then you may be offered some sort of tour, and you can skip that. When you get to this pop-up, you click Join Class. Lots of classes for me to join. Now here we are. I can scroll down and see my classes. I want to go in this one with Mr. V, program a progress bar. Click on that link. From here, you're going to click start. But later on when you come back, don't click start because that will start you at the very beginning and you don't want to start over every time. So you can scroll down and see a list of the videos here. That's how all the lessons in Applied Digital Skills are. This is where it looks like when you start a lesson, but you can always scroll and see right here. If you see a check mark next to the video, it means you've watched it. If you see a play button, it means you still need to watch it. So when we click here, we're going to get an introduction. You don't have to do anything while you watch the intro. You just get an overview of what you're going to do. You can make it full screen. You can adjust the playback speed right here to speed it up or slow it down, depending on your preference. You can also pop open a transcript right here, which is word for word what the person on the video will be saying. So you can scroll through the transcript to know what's coming. Or if you need to watch something back, you can find the sentence in the transcript that you missed or a step, and then you can click on it and it'll jump to that exact spot in the video. It's pretty handy. In this lesson,
you will use the script editor in Google Slides to program a progress bar.
Okay. So after you finish watching each video, you click next and it takes you to the next video. And you're going to watch the video and do what it says kind of at the same time. You can do that slick side screen thing on your Chromebook by selecting one window and pushing Alt bracket, and then selecting another window and then clicking Alt the other bracket. You do need to have two windows open in order to do that feature. I think Mr. Vandenberg or Mrs. Schroyer can help you with those skills. Once you get rocking and rolling, it's just a matter of watching the video and doing what it teaches you. Watching, doing. And that's how any Applied Digital Skill lesson works. Have fun with this. We'll see you later.